Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. So this video is going that how should you change your TikTok account to personal account or any other. So go to your TikTok, click on three dots. After that, click on manage account. Now you can see you can switch your account to personal account or business account from creator account. So if you want to change to personal account, switch to personal account, click on this and you can see this type of interface in this. Click switch back. So as you click switch back, your account is switched back into personal account. Now if you want to switch into pro accounts, now click on switch to pro account. Wait a little bit. Now it shows that select an account type, so you should select creator or business. So I am creator, I should select creator. If you are changing your account for business purpose, so select business. So first I will show you that how should you change to creator. Click on creator, then you select your category. So I should select other or entertainment, sorry. Then next I should select my gender. So my gender is male, but this account is of my friend, so I should select female. After this I should click on done. So now guys, your account is switched to creator account. So now you can explore analytics or explore the details of your account. So guys, this was the method to how should you transfer your account TikTok creator account to personal account or personal account to creator account. So guys, like my video and also subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.